Oh, hey guys, how's it going? Just doing some maintenance stuff, changing the oil on it right now. It's been a while. Come on down, we'll talk. Alright guys, so yeah, it's been a while since I changed the oil on it, only because of COVID, obviously. And don't really drive the car that often anymore. We're gonna see if we can catch this, by the way. And we're gonna move this over. Okay. And now we're going to open up the drain plug. So before I drain, I'm going to show you guys. The only thing I don't like about this is that when you remove that, it's like a freaking geyser of oil coming out into the pan. So there are adapters you can use that'll kind of like cut down on it. Apparently these are kind of prone to leakage. All right guys, here's the moment of truth. There we go. So of course, what's the first thing I do when I get down there for the first time ever since having this car? I spill all the oil all over the floor. Good Lord, man. You can never win sometimes. So I'm using Mobile One 530, by the way. I've always used Mobile One. It's always been good to me. And of course the filter comes out. Boy, man, this is not working right at all today. Usually never goes like this because I never really filmed a oil change before. So good job, guys. Messed it up. No, I'm just playing. So this is the new filter I'm using. The Ford Motorcraft FL 2062-A. And what's cool about it is it does come with O-rings, but I have yet to use these only because on the old one, on the old canister, I take a look at the O-rings that's on here. Me personally, I take a look at the O-rings that are on here. There are two at the bottom here, and there's also that one at the top there that's like a purple slash marine color kind of looking thing. So I just take a look at the O-rings up close and make sure there's no cracks in them or anything like that, and that they look pretty good, which I don't see any cracks. So we're gonna go ahead and reuse the O-rings that are there. Then I'll just take the old one that's got oil on it and put it in the box for now. And then I'll take the new one and just put it in. Alright, so don't mind the mess in the background. I'm in the middle of a garage makeover here. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Got a bunch of cool videos coming up for you guys. A bunch of data logs as well. And I got a GFB blow-off valve coming on the way. Should be here next week. So looking forward to that and seeing how it actually differs from the Boomba blow-off valve or the stock valve. So that'll be interesting to do. And you know, the intercooler as well. I'm gonna be doing data logs before and after of the for the front mount intercooler install. Please make sure you've actually sent out an email to your representatives for the RPM Act. I know that's quite important. And you know, cars are an escape for enthusiasts for a number of reasons. So it's kind of important. Plus the whole entire industry of modifying your cars, racing, that kind of stuff will probably be gone. But other than that, I'm at like 27,000 miles, just over that. I usually do every 5,000 miles to change the oil. But kind of a little bit over that. I think at 30,000 miles, I'll change the oil again, as well as doing differential fluid, power transfer unit, as well as the transmission fluid too. Just to get the videos out for that and to teach you guys how to do so. So it should be fun. Got some cool stuff coming up for you guys. So just wanted to make a quick video just to get my watch time hours up. If you guys probably haven't noticed already, there's no more ads on my video because of a 6-month hiatus or more. I haven't put out videos. And you know, it's kind of hard for me to make videos because small time channel, don't really have a lot of stuff to do. I don't really want to make videos that are just kind of like, oh, I'm washing my car today, or let me show you the pinstripes on my car, or you know, kind of something silly like that. So with that being said, I only try to make videos for you guys that actually have some good content and that can actually be worthwhile. But I mean, it's always fun. I always have fun making videos for you guys. And then just after this here, I will give you guys an update of the spoiler. I know you guys, some of you guys are actually kind of wondering how the spoiler is holding up. So we'll go over that shortly here. Let me just finish this up. All right, so there we have it. Oil is changed in the Fusion now. The wheels that I plasti-dipped are holding up pretty well, actually. We do have a... Never mind, that's just salt. I thought that was a clear coat chip. Calipers are holding up great as well. That I painted. And all the way around, things are looking pretty good for the car. Pinstriping was already there, and that's holding up fine, as you would expect. However, the spoiler here, this is holding up really well too. And there's actually no lift on it at all. There's no separation on the glue, adhesive, tape, whatever. So it's holding on pretty strong. No complaints about it. I love the way it looks. I know JMA just released a carbon fiber one of that, so I kind of want to check that out. JMA, if you're watching this video, man, hook it up. And everything else seems to be running okay with the car. Currently I'm tuned on 93, so you know, it's all right. I just put on 93 for the winter. I've always done that. And then once summer comes, I'll be hitting up E30 again. And then plus, you know, we got the aftermarket intercooler and front mount and things like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just kind of want to crank out a video today, just give you guys an idea, like an update of what's going on. There is something going on with my tire here for the passenger because it's always running low. So I probably got like a rock or a nail in there or something that's going on, and it's at like 27 psi right now. So, but other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you sign up for the RPM Act and support that. Tell your representatives to support it as well, because it's, you know, it might be getting kind of bad. So, but you know, I kind of want to just give you guys an update, get a video out there. It's probably gonna be a crap video, but I kind of want to put it out there anyways, just to get the views up, so I can re-monetize my channel next month. I get so there was a 6 months period or more of where I didn't upload any videos. I didn't do a community post, and I'm sure you guys are aware of that. I don't really do anything in the wintertime. I don't really have anything to upload or do. So hopefully this year is a lot better with videos and uploads and stuff like that. And we'll see how winter goes. Maybe I'll try to get a video out. Like I said before, I just don't want to make a video just to make a video. I want to have some like purpose behind it, some entertainment for you guys. But if you guys just need like a quick update or something, let me know down below. If you have any tips for me, I would appreciate it. Like I said, I'm a small-time YouTuber. You know, I do this stuff part-time along with, you know, work and stuff like that. So it's pretty, I love doing this. It's fun to do, but I'm not really too worried about the ad revenue right now. I wasn't really making that much anyways. It was like 130 bucks, give or take, every 6 months, every 3 months, 4 months. So, you know, that's all right. But yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And like I said before, make sure you hit that RPM Act. If you have any questions for me, comments, or concerns, drop it down below. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Have a great day.